Have you ever wondered why when you call a service provider or your technician, they ask you, where's your modem placed? Well, is it near a microwave? Is it near a fridge? Well, I'm going to show you today how your microwave can affect your Wi-Fi signal. Come with me. All right, we're going to do a speed test. This is typically what you get from a speed test. You can see your signal line is very stable. It'll do a download, you do an upload. It's very stable. You don't see any consistent drop from latency in this case. Now, let's go ahead and do with the microwave. We'll press done over here. We'll close this out. We'll put the microwave on 5. All right. We'll press start speed test and start. Now watch how the drop happens. Boom. Do you see how the drop happens? This is because the 2.4 gigahertz is getting overloaded by the microwave. You can even see the upload speed is getting destroyed right now. This is what happens when your microwave gets turned on. All right, we're gonna get technical here, all right? So follow along. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comment, but let's get to it. The most important culprit in this entire situation, well, not culprit, but what we rely on, is called electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum is something that's invisible to human eyes, and we all rely on it. So many things operate within this spectrum. I will not go into detail about this, but for today, we're focused on what's called RF. It's one of the things that operates within this spectrum, and you call it radio frequency. Now your question is, why does this matter? It's because your microwave, all right, your camera, your IoT, like your smart bulbs, and your Wi-Fi, they all operate within this RF spectrum. And this is where the problem is. There is a specific frequency called 2.4 gigahertz. You've probably heard of that before. This is how these devices operate, especially when they transmit information, communication. Your microwave uses this to heat up your food. Basically, it uses this frequency to excite your food and get it heated up. Your camera uses this frequency to pass data to a storage or stream. Your smart bulbs, this is how you control it. Your Wi-Fi, this is how you get access to the internet. They all use this same frequency for different things. Now, the problem is your Wi-Fi needs to get to the internet, but your microwave uses that same frequency to heat up the food. All of a sudden, it gets all messy in that environment. And that's why it affects your entire speed. There are different ways you can fix this, like moving your Wi-Fi to 5 gigahertz. But this is not always a permanent solution because other devices can also use this frequency. But I'm just giving you an example. Overall, there's so much detail in this, but I hope this helped you understand that devices all share the same frequency, and too many things can be the reason why your Wi-Fi performance is not working properly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment. Don't hesitate to reach out, and I hope this helped you in some way. Thank you for watching.